Benvenuto! Welcome to Cherry Hill Home Cooking. My name is Mark. Today we're gonna make one of my childhood favorites. My mother called it Jell-O Fruit Salad. And I'm assuming she called it Jell-O Fruit Salad because she either probably got the recipe from a box of Jell-O, but it's known by so many different names. Some people call it Fluff, some people call it, whatever. We have a similar version of this on the channel already. It's the Watergate salad, which this is basically the same thing except with different ingredients. So anyway, let's talk about what we're gonna need. This is so easy. There's 5-6 ingredients, goes together really quick. Other than chilling it in the refrigerator, you'll be eating it before you know it. So now the first thing we need is a box, and this is what, a 3-ounce box. I think it's 3-ounce box. I'll make sure it'll be in the recipe. 3-ounce box of Jell-O or whatever brand you want to use. Gelatin mix. All right. Now this is peach, but you can basically use any flavor gelatin you want. My mother used to do it with the peach, so that's what we're going to do it with. But you can make it with lime, lemon, orange, cherry, strawberry, whatever you want. All right. The next ingredient we're going to need is a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. You can use whole pineapple or chunked pineapple if you want. I like how with the crushed it gets evenly distributed in everything. What's catching my eye, I don't know if you can get it, is the Oriole. We got our Oriole visiting. Oh, just flew away. He does that every single time. But we've been lucky to attract a couple pairs this year. So crushed pineapple. And we just want to put it in a strainer, put it over your bowl that you're going to mix it in. You don't need to worry about squeezing all the either syrup or juice. I get the one with the pineapple in just in the 100% juice. Cut down a little bit on the sugar. And then the next thing is mandarin oranges. Now I get the regular mandarin oranges in the heavy syrup. We saved a little bit here, and we've got a little bit more in here. Anyway, again, so you want to just drain those. You don't want to squish it down or anything. It doesn't have to be completely dry. Because the interesting thing with this dessert is it's not a salad, right? It's got no vegetables in it. And it's called Jell-O salad, but it doesn't really gel. It gels a tiny, tiny bit, but it's not going to, firm up like a regular gelatin. Now, we need a 16-ounce tub of Cool Whip thawed. Now, the only reason I've taken it out and put it in this bowl, is I wasn't prepared enough, and it was still a little frozen. So don't take it out of the tub. I just put it in here to expedite it thawing out a bit. All right, and then you need 2 cups of mini marshmallows, and this is just about 2 cups. It might be a tiny bit more, but you can use the colored ones, the rainbow marshmallows. I'm pretty. That's all they had. I normally only use the white ones anyway, but all right, so that's all that we need. That's all our ingredients, those simple 5 ingredients, and this is so easy. So we got our drained pineapple, plop, and we got it in the bowl. We're gonna serve it in. It's a nice thing. Like I said, if I didn't mess up that bowl, we wouldn't have had that. The first thing I'm gonna do is put our package of peach gelatin mix in there, or Jell-O, and I'm going to mix this up. Just because if you do it this way, there's enough moisture in there that you don't break everything else up while you mix in it, and it mixes in. And what you basically want to do is mix it up until everything you're putting in there turns the color of whatever gelatin you're using. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is again, it doesn't really matter what way you put this in. I'm just trying to keep my oranges intact as much as I can. Put our marshmallows in there. And we can give this a stir. Wade doesn't remember having this as a kid. We certainly had it a lot. Memorial Day is coming up shortly, and we got all the summer holidays. Now, if you see my island there is full of stuff. If you want to see what that's going to become, got to check the description. All right, so we can put our now. I think in some recipes I've seen this calls for an 8-ounce jar of Cool Whip. My mother always used the big tub, and that's the way I got used to it. So, but if you want it a little less creamy, you could do an 8-ounce tub. Oh, look at how beautiful! What a beautiful color. Now it looks like a creamsicle, and I think if you do it with orange gelatin, it does kind of have that creamsicle taste to it. So again, you want to get that as incorporated as you can, because we're not using fresh made whipped cream. We don't have to worry about it deflating. All right, and then we'll add our mandarin oranges in. This is, like I said, great for a cookout. If you're bringing it, you just give it to the host or hostess and then put it in the refrigerator till you're ready to serve. It makes a quick, nice, easy dessert. If you're looking for something sweet. And that's basically it, guys. We're just gonna get those incorporated. And of course, the hardest part is waiting for this to chill. I'd say at least 2 hours. The longer it chills, the better. Of course, you want to chill in the refrigerator. Even overnight is fantastic. This is gonna be our dessert tonight, so this will probably chill for a few hours. But that's all there is to it, guys. If you haven't had it, I'd be surprised. We're gonna just cover it with saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and in a couple hours, we'll have a delicious dessert. See you then. Well, we had our delicious meatloaf and baked potato and peas for supper. And now we got dessert. Jell-O Fruit Salad. Which isn't really kind of Jell-O or fruit salad in one, but... What a that's good.
Oh yeah.
It tastes like childhood.
Oh yeah. I never had this as a kid. This is good. This is
We don't
delicious.
have this during the summer yet. It is.
With those marshmallows in there.
The marshmallows, after you let it sit for a while, they get a little bit softer.
Yeah.
It's cool. I'm going to trash bag. See yourself sitting outside at a barbecue. Certainly the kids would be eating all this. Well, I'm glad. I haven't made this in a while. I'm glad I did.
Kind of light too, yeah.
Yeah, it is. So you had to be in the entire bowl.
Please like and subscribe and check out cherryhillhomecooking.com. See you on the next video.
Thank you. Ciao.
Bye.
So yummy.
It is.